Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Ryan Sensini with NPM 24411081, class of MNJ 24C. In this video, I will explain about money and inflation. Check, check out the following explanation. Definition of inflation. Inflation is a condition in which there is a general and persistent increase in the price of goods and services in the economy may over a period of time. Inflation results in a decrease in the purchasing power of money, meaning that with the same amount of money, consumer can buy fewer goods and services than before. Inflation to according to experts. Number one, Sadono Sukirno. Inflation is an increase in general price to apply in the economy from one period to another. Number two, Dwi Eko Waluyo. According to inflation is one form of economic disease that often occurs and is experienced in almost all countries. The the tendency of inflation too. Cause of inflation in a country. Number one, increased demand for goods and service. The first cause of inflation is an increase in demand for goods and service beyond the available supply. When people demand for goods and service, exchange to ability of producer to provide them, price will tend to rise. This cause of inflation can occur due to an increase in the people income, an increase in population, or change in consumer preference. Number two, the price of raw material increase. An, inc- an increasing in the price of raw material for production, such as petroleum, natural gas, or agricultural commodities, can be a supply side cause of inflation. These increased costs are ultimately passed on to consumer in the form of higher price. In the case of supply side costs of inflation triggers by raising raw material price. It is often followed by business sluggishness. Number three, increase is the amount of money in circulation. Excessive money supply can also be another cause of inflation. When the money supply increases faster than economic growth, the value of money falls, while and the price of product rise. This causes the price of goods and services to rise as more money is needed to buy the same goods. Number four, government budget deficit. Like most developing countries, Indonesian government budget some this runs a deficit, which is also one of cause of inflation. This is caused by structural problem in the economy that create a gap between the share and the ability to develop. Number five, expectation. Inflation expectation of people and economic actor estimates of future inflation is also one of the factors that cause inflation. In people and a business expense and increase in the inflation in the future, they tend they tend to increase to big the price of goods and the service or ask for wage increase. The inflation expectation can later come to self-fulfilling prophecy and cause higher inflation. Number 6. Money, monetary crisis. Monetary crisis, such as current, current depression or banking crisis, can be the next cause of inflation. And exchange rate depressions will make imported goods more expensive, while a banking crisis can disrupt the supply of credit and hampers economic activity. The impact of inflation on a country. Number one, impact on a people purchasing power. Negative, inflation reduces purchasing power, especially for the worst income is fixed. The money the have will buy fewer goods and or service. Positive, positive for asset owner, property or stock owner may see the value of their asset increase with inflation. Number two, impact on business. Negative, production cost is rise or raw material price increase. Price uncertainty may also discourage investment. Positive, of businessman of if business can raise selling price faster than cost rise, they can they can earn more profit. Number three, impact on saving and investment. Negative, the real value of saving decreases if interest rates do not keeping pace with inflation. People tend to be reluctant to save. Positive may encourage people to invest in the production asset rather than saving cash. Number four, impact on the national economy. Negative, high and uncontrolled inflation can lead to economic instability. Positive, moderate inflation can be signs the economy is growing and a demand increase. How to prevent inflation? Number one, use money wisely. Number two, support local products. Number three, learn to save and investment. Number four, don't panic buy. How to overcome inflation? Number one, central bank raises interest rates. Number two, increase production of goods. Number three, government cuts big spending. Number four, monitor price of basic goods. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.